Good morning, I am Seema Singh. How are you all? Today I am going to show you something very interesting. What is in my hand? A pair of socks. This is for left leg, this is for right leg. So, if you want to wear first in your left leg and then in your right leg, or sometime you want that I will wear first in my right leg and then in my left leg. Does it matter? No. This order does not make any difference to the socks because socks is same whether you wear in your left leg or first or in right leg first. Okay? Same thing. Now I will show you in a different thing. Mama has given you a bread to eat and she has given you cheese and sauce. So, if you want to eat bread with cheese and then you want to add little bit of sauce, or sometimes you want to eat bread with sauce and then you want to eat little bit of cheese. So, first time what you did, you grouped bread and cheese and then you added sauce. And second time what you did, you added bread and sauce together, you grouped them and then you added cheese. So, you grouped everything, but the things will be same because the things bread, sauce and cheese are same. Now, you have a bread and you want butter, but mama says I don't have butter. So, what will you have? Don't have means you don't have anything means 0. So, bread plus 0, bread. You have only bread. Understood? And the same concept we can incorporate with our maths. So, today we are going to learn properties of addition. You know addition? When we add two numbers, we get the sum. This is called addition. And what is property? It is the quality or characteristic of a person. Suppose you have a sauce bottle. So this is a sauce bottle in which Maggi is written, hot and sweet is written. That means this is a quality of this sauce bottle. It is a tomato sauce, hot and sweet. Same way, now we will do the properties of addition with numbers. Suppose I want to add 2 plus 3. So answer will be 5. The sum will be 5. And then I want to add 3 plus 2. Again answer will be 5. So I changed the order of the number. First I wrote 2, but the second time I changed the order, I wrote 3 plus 2. But the numbers are same, so the sum is same. This is called order property. What is order property? The sum of two numbers is the same when we change the order of the number. Second one is grouping property. Second property is grouping property. Suppose I want to add 2 plus 3 first. So the sum is 5. But now I want to add 4 more. So the answer is 9. And the same number I want to add but in a different way. Now I want to add 3 plus 4 first, which is 7, and then I added 2, it became again 9. So I changed the group but the numbers are same. So what is grouping property? The sum of 3 numbers is the same when we change the grouping of the number. It will be the same. Next one is addition property of 0. I have number 2 and I want to add 0. So what I will get? I will get 2, because addition property is 0 is when 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum is number itself. What is the meaning of itself? Itself means same number. If you don't have anything, you have 2 chocolates, you will have only 2 chocolates. Okay? And same thing goes with 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. So, we will see now these concepts in 4-digit numbers. As now we are studying 4-digit number, so these two numbers are 4-digit numbers. We added them and I will change the group. I will change the order. First I put 7169, then I put 8327. So this side and this side is equal. Sum is equal. So I change the order and this is called order property. Okay. Now I want to show you grouping property in 4-digit numbers. So I require 3 numbers now. So I added one more number. These two are one group and now I added the third number. So what will happen? Now I added here the 2 different number. I made another group of 2415 and 7169, and then I added 8327. So these are same. Answer is 17,911 in both the cases. So this is grouping property of 4-digit numbers. Now we are going to do addition property of 0. For that we have to add 0. And can you tell me what will be the answer? Which one is the answer? 8327. When it is added to 0, we get 8327. So we learned today 3 properties of addition: order property, grouping property, addition property of 0. I hope you understand the concept of properties of addition. Thank you.